Good afternoon, teacher. Today I will talk about how assemble a PC from scratch. My name is Fernando David Juarez Dimas, and the tools we will use is number 1, anti-stick bracelet, number 2, screwdriver, number 3, tweezer, number 4, cleaning clouds. Step number 1, the power supply. A power supply provides the necessary voltage to power the electronic circuits that make up the PC. Connect the power supply to the box. Step number 2. Place the elements on the motherboard. The motherboard is mainframe circuit board that connects all the components of the computer. On the motherboard you will work with the following components. For example, CPU, thermal heatsink, fan RAM modules, and 2 motherboards. Step number 3. Card adapter. Card adapters are installed on the motherboard to give functionally to your computer the elements that we will. Occupying in this step are the following: network card, wireless card, video adapter, the hard disk drive, HDD. Step number 4, internal disk, is a magnetic disk that stores large amounts of data of files media. Install the hard drive in the case. Step number 5. Units in internal behavior. The CD, RW, DVD drive is a optional storage device that reads and writes information on CD and reads CD. A floppy disk drive, FDD, is a magnetic disk that reads and writes information on floppy disk instead of the optical disk drive and the PDDS. Step 6. Interior claves. Connect all internal claves to the appropriate equipment components. Be sure the machine wants to pin when connecting claves to device. Connect claves to device. For example, 20 pin ATX, 4 pin auxiliary power, SATA power supply, power models, Bare Energy, fan power case, SATA, PAW, floppy disk drive. Step 7. External claves. They complement the computer assemble, secure the panels and secure them to the case using the panel screw. You are now ready to connect external claves to the port on back of the computer. Connect claves to the computer, for example, monitor, keyboard, mouse, USB, Ethernet, peripheral, and power. Thanks for your attention.